Live market execution and trade management. Where plans meet pressure, and most traders fall apart. Welcome to the battlefield. Everything you've learned, structure, zones, entries, it all leads here. But knowing where to enter is only half the game. The real challenge? Execution under pressure. Management under uncertainty. Staying calm when your trade is live. This is where most traders fail, not because they don't know what to do, but because they forget what they know the moment real money is on the line. They overthink. They interfere. They doubt their plan. And worst of all, they start trading emotionally instead of logically. Let's fix that. The execution ritual, from plan to click. Before any trade goes live, there must be a ritual. Why? Because rituals remove emotion. They protect you from impulsive behavior. They give your brain something familiar to rely on, especially when stakes are high. Your execution checklist should include: have I identified valid structure? Is my zone clean and logical? Was there a liquidity sweep? Did I get a proper market structure shift? Am I trading with the higher time frame bias? What's the risk-reward on this idea? If even one answer is no, you don't click. This isn't about missing out. It's about staying alive. One wrong trade can knock your psychology sideways for days. One impulsive decision can undo weeks of discipline. You don't get extra points for being fast. You win by being accurate. Setting orders like a pro, limits, market, stop orders. Most retail traders use market orders out of fear. They see price reacting, and they panic click. But professional traders think differently. Use limit orders when you have clean confirmations and expect a retest. Use market execution only when structure breaks and momentum confirms entry. Use stop orders when you want to protect against slippage but need price to prove strength. Every order has intent. Every click has logic. Your orders aren't guesses, they're part of the system. A sniper doesn't fire just because the target is in view. He waits for the perfect angle. Live trade management, staying out of your own way. Once the trade is live, most traders make this critical error: they babysit it. They stare. They second guess. They move SL. They close early. They start trying to outsmart the trade they already planned. This destroys consistency. Here's what you do instead: set your SL and TP and let it run. If you're managing actively, have a clear rule for when to move to break even, when to partial out, when to trail stops. Never touch a trade based on feelings. Only react to price action. The trade doesn't care how you feel. Follow the data. Trade scenarios: 3 possibilities, 1 mindset. Once your trade is running, only 3 things can happen. When TP is hit, celebrate with humility. When SL is hit, accept instantly and move on. When trade stalls, follow your plan for active management. Most traders lose because of the third case, the stall. They panic. They interfere. They start seeing what's not there. Your power is in clarity, not prediction. Know your 3 paths. Accept any of them. And stay neutral. The emotional storm: how to stay cold in a hot market. Let's be honest, watching money fluctuate live is psychological warfare. Your heartbeat rises. Your brain looks for shortcuts. You start praying. You start hoping. That's not trading. That's gambling. Here's how you beat it: detach from the outcome. It's one trade. It doesn't define you. Use trade size that doesn't hurt you emotionally. If you're sweating, you're risking too much. Journal your mental state. If your heart races every trade, the problem isn't technical. Emotions are data. But they're not trading signals. Master yourself, or the market will master you. The golden rule: never intervene without a rule. Every decision during a live trade must be rule-based. Not gut-based. Not hope-based. Not fear-based. Examples of proper interventions: move SL to break even after price breaks structure in your direction. Take partial profits at pre-marked key levels. Exit early only if high time frame flips completely and invalidates the setup. Anything outside these rules is sabotage. You are not smarter than the system you built. You are a servant of it. Examples of trader sabotage. Don't be this person. Entered late because you hesitated, got worst RR and stopped out. Closed early because of fear, price hit TP 5 minutes later. Added more size after price moved 20%, broke plan, doubled risk. Reverse trade midway because of a red candle, got whipsawed. These aren't trading mistakes. These are discipline mistakes. Which means they're fixable. Fix your behavior, and the results will follow. The chart doesn't care. But your account does. The power of silence: what to do after entry. Once you're in the trade, no more scrolling. No more over-analysis. Sit. Observe. Document. Breathe. Some of the best traders in the world say this: I trade best when I say and do the least. A final word on trade management. Live execution is where your system is stress-tested. Where your psychology is exposed. Where the truth shows up. If you crumble in execution, the system doesn't matter. So train like a sniper. Execute like a machine. Review like a scientist. And grow like a professional. You're not trading to feel alive. You're trading to build freedom. That means consistency over chaos. Discipline over dopamine. Let the rest chase. You execute.